drop trout and expose your balls for like 10 minutes.
In today's video, we are going to drop trout. Red light therapy, is it the next best big thing in the health and wellness space, or is it a scam? I'm actually going to unbox the JOOV red light therapy. I'm skeptical, but we're going to see if this actually works. So they were actually kind enough to send this to me for free, so just keep that in mind, but I'm still gonna grill them like a nice steak on the barbecue. In this little box, we've got our protective eyewear. They look like green light glasses. But if you put these suckers on, everything in the world looks green. Wow. And I guess it's supposed to block the red light into my eyes to protect my eyes. So you want to use this when you're using the red light, I think anywhere around your face. JOOV.com, pages set up. The inside of this box, it looks like we just have the stand. And it's got kind of like a white glossy finish on the bottom, kind of like a metal on the back, as well as a gray top. And then you mount the actual red light on the top, and you can kind of use this while you're working, sitting at your desk. I love set it and forget it devices.
Set it and forget it.
And I think the aim is that you want to use this for about 10 minutes a day, and you can see results over 30 days. So first, why red light therapy? There's some research and a lot of subjective evidence that says it improves your skin, collagen, makes you look prettier, improves blood flow, and even potentially help with healing and recovery, whether that means reducing pain or decreasing your recovery time. Some say there's potential for hair growth, muscle growth, bone recovery, and sleep quality improvements, even increased testosterone. Now, one thing to be mindful for is if you're using the red light and the IR variations, you want to use these glasses because it can damage your eyes. So that is one of the risks involved. I want to do more of the dark side and the risks when I'm testing products, just to keep you all balanced. Now, what is JOOV and how does it work? It will shine red light as well as near infrared light on any part of your body that you decide with this device. Boom! There's the JOOV Mini 3.0. Oh, we got a handy dandy user manual. We got a little accessories box. Damn, this is sealed tight, yo. A nice heavy duty power cable. And inside of that box, we have the actual panels. This is the Mini. It's still relatively large for a mini size, as you can tell. This is my torso, and this is the actual light itself. I don't know if you can see that. It's got 60 LEDs on there. Look at that. Wow. It's got some ports on the back, a little fan, a power outlet in and a power outlet out. I guess you can daisy chain these. Red light infrared phototherapy lamp. Designed in California, made in Malaysia. I think look at this on the side here. We've got the actual light panels, the controls, the on off button, and the different modes I guess you can set through this side panel. Oh, but that's kind of the light. That's really all there is to it. You just set it and forget it. So in terms of how this will slide on the stand, let's see how this works. Take the JOOV. There we go. Oh, it clicks right in. Wow, it's got like a little latch on the back, so you can like pull it up and out, and that's pretty much it. Now it's like stuck on there. It tilts all the way up to here and back down to here, so that's the maximum tilt you can get. And then we can use it. We just got to plug it in and go. There it is. Now it's on. Should I put on the protective eyewear? Let's do it. So there's a pairing process you have to go through. I connected Apple Health to my JOOV app on my iPhone, and it requested my birthday, height, weight, and sex. All right, this is frustrating. I set it up and I'm trying to figure out how to factory reset, and it says in the dock factory reset, but that doesn't refer like what pages to go to. I accidentally set it up without knowing, and now I can't get this freaking thing to work. Lesson learned, if you get one of these, start using it on the app first. Don't turn it on until you've set up the app, or else you're gonna be stuck for who knows how long. All right, page 37 is factory reset. We're in, pair. Now it gives us some options. I think I can start session. And it's on, pause, stop. That was cool. They offer a neat app so that you can track your usage as well as like set reminders, because a device not used is not worth having. And I think it creates like a cool way where you can actually gamify it and be able to get into the habit. So now I get reminders like, oh, it's been 3 days since you used your JOOV, and it notifies me. So I like that to help keep me in check. I have the ability to manage multiple devices, and I can turn this device on and off as needed just from the app. Whoops. This is kind of what the app looks like when you open it. You can manage your device. You can start the session, set your timer, change the different modes. You have NIR, red, and ambient. You can use the Recovery Plus mode for any sore areas, troublesome areas to help with recovery. You can use the ambient mode during nighttime to help with melatonin and avoid spiking your cortisol. And one thing they always promote is doing breath work while using the JOOV device. And you have this VV on or off. And then you can press that to turn it on and to turn it off. Your profile, notifications, software update, and even your stats in terms of how much you've used it. You can set up a goal, it looks like. Number of sessions weekly. Let's do 1 session daily. So that's my new daily goal. And that's the quick app overview. So just medical disclaimer, this is intended for general wellness use. It is not a medical device. Please consult your doctor or healthcare provider before use. Glasses. It says for first time use, do a 1 to 2 minute on the area and gradually work your way up. So let's try that. I'm gonna do my face. We'll put it off to the side. So your body needs to be 16 to 24 inches away. 6 hours between treatments. All right, let's push this motherfucker back. That's 2 feet-ish. Uh-oh. Okay, so first sensation, I can feel it, it's warm. We've got a 2-minute timer going on. It definitely feels warm on my face, even though like I'm 2 feet away. This is really weird. So now we'll just do other things while this works. Set it and forget it. Oh, session complete. So it beeped. It says 2 minutes total, and as you can see, the red lights just turned off. I did it, fam. And that's pretty much it. Do I look different? Do I look more beautiful? I don't know. Now, who is someone who would want to buy this JOOV? Probably someone into health and wellness, right? There's a lot of wellness studios like Restore near me in New York that actually provides a JOOV red light therapy as one of their services. Having one at home just makes it easy. You can wake up and use it right before you wake up or before you go to bed. And it's really a performance device. This thing is not cheap. This is not for your average person. It's more for your high athletes, high entrepreneurs who have the money to spend. If you want to have healthy skin, you want to look pretty. Supposedly, I've heard people do 30-day challenges where they look prettier with it. Maybe I should do one of those. Let me know in the comments below. But from my experience so far, it is critical that you build the habit of using this. I have kind of fallen off of it because there's just so many things going on in life. But if there are certain things in your life that you want to help with, I think this can be extremely powerful. By the JOOV, use my promo code link down below to help save you some money and support the channel.